frosty.
So I'm taking my Nubian palette in the color light brown as my transition color. So I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going to pat it on my eyelids everywhere. So when I put my other color down, then the color will pop. So I'm continue blending. So I'm taking the dark red color and putting that on top of the transition color. So I'm taking another fluffy brush and I'm gonna use that to put on top of my lids. I'm continue blending to the desired look that I want. I'm still blending. Next I'm taking this sparkly red color. So I'm taking my fluffy brush and then I'm using the Mario Badescu Skin Care Spray to spray on my brush so the color can. So I'm applying the color on my lid, just in the middle of my lid. I don't want it all over my lid top. So I'm spreading that. So I'm taking another one to blend everything together so it could look seamless. So I'll continue blending and blending. So I'm taking my NYX Professional Makeup Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer and I'm placing that all over my face so I could prime my skin so my foundation could be flawless. Wow. So now I'm just blending everything together so everything could be smooth, and I'm still blending. So next I'm going to take my Maybelline New York 24 Hours Foundation in the color 362. Comment down below if this is your favorite foundation. If not, let me know what's your favorite foundation, because this one is my favorite. It blends very well, it's full coverage, and it's just amazing. So I'm just blending everything out and make sure you get everywhere, especially your neck, because you don't want no two side or two different color. So now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep and also the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the color CW7.5. So I'm blending those two together to make a perfect shade. So I'm just putting the concealer everywhere that I need it. So I'm blending the other color. So I'm just putting it together. Still doing it. Still doing it. Wow. I look crazy. Okay. Wow. Anyways, so now I'm just blending everything with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, which is so amazing. So I'm blending everywhere. Make sure you get every nick and cranny, even behind your nose, because that's where sometimes the concealer could go. So I'm just looking at myself, blending and blending. Comment down below if you like the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. If not, let me know what's your favorite and what you can recommend me to use. So now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution London Baking Powder in the color. So now I'm taking my Smashbox Contour Palette in the dark shade and I'm blending my cheeks, my forehead, under my jaw. So I'm just brushing everything together. Now I'll take the powder and just. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder to powder everywhere so my face could be flawless. Now I'm taking this Beauty Benefits bronzer to bronze up my cheeks and everywhere. So now I'm taking this Steve Lauren blush, and just to pick up my cheeks. So now I'm taking the same palette that I used for my eyes, and I'm taking the same color of the dark red, and put it under my eyes. So I'm blending that under my eyes. So I'm taking my Mario pedestrian spray to spray my whole face again. So now I'm taking my Tarte pencil and just do it under my eyes. So I'm taking my Revolution highlighter in the color Gold Addict, and I'm just highlighting my cheeks and my other favorite parts. Look at that highlighter. Do you see that? Wow. So I'm just doing the corners of my eyes, because that's my favorite to do. I'm taking that same spray. So I'm taking this NX pencil and lining my lips for my color. So now I'm taking this Wet n Wild lipstick in the color Mink Brown and putting that all over my lips. So I'm taking this Violet Voss color in Deception 127 and putting that in the middle of my lips. So now I'm taking this She Makeup lip oil and just putting this over my lips so my lip can look poppin'. So this is the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next. I hope you got something out of this video. Please give me at least 5 likes. And I'll do something similar again like this. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something from this, and thank you.